So the last thing I want to talk about here is campus resources, things that are available to you to help you in your timely college. First off is kind of software resources, Office 365, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all that kind of stuff you can get through. There's links in the syllabus. Grammarly, this will help with writing, spell check, grammar checks, usage, things like that. There's links in the syllabus or on the college website. I encourage you to take advantage of these programs. They are, quote, free, but you've already just paid for them with student fees. That's where your tuition, property taxes, all that kind of stuff goes. If you need an accommodation, I'm more than willing to work with you on that. That process, you need to start it, and it goes through the Access Center, Disability Services Office. That's Runda Hall 101. Kaylee Villanueva leads that. You reach out to them. They'll send an accommodation request to me with whatever it is. The biggest thing is usually testing accommodations, but I can't do anything from documentation from K through 12. If you're in like Impact or dual credit or something like that, you do need to still instigate the process through I need college documentation, not just, I can't take it from whatever your high school is. The Learning Hub on campus is math and science tutoring. It's in the first floor of the Student Center. I encourage you to take advantage of it. I think you do online registration for on-campus appointments. I'm not exactly sure, but I encourage you to book through them, take an example of that. It is something that, some people really like tutoring, some people hate it. I encourage you to give it a try. That's a different resource. I'm always happy to meet with you about any course material, but these are just another resource, other people you can talk to, other perspectives you can get, which can help, right? Seeing things in different ways. The students who are tutors there have all taken these classes at Lee and done well in them. And so I encourage you to take advantage of that. Other resources, Timely Care is remote mental and physical health services. You can download the app and you just use your Lee College login. You can also go to it's like timelycare.com/Lee or something like that. But you have access to that as a student. So this is, you can get remote, video conferencing with doctors, either for mental health services or physical health services, and pretty quick response times. It's always frustrating when you want to talk to someone about something like mental health related. It's like, okay, 10 days or 2 weeks or something, really quick response times. I encourage you to take advantage of that. The Student Resource and Advocacy Center is also in the Student Center. It's kind of in the backside around from where the Learning Hub and all that stuff is. This is a place that's designed to help meet basic needs. So they have like food available. They have gas cards available. They have transportation, other transportation assistance. They can help with emergency needs. And so this would be instances like trying to, if you're, instead of like needing to pick up extra shifts at work to like cover your costs and stop attending school, you can keep attending school and deal with whatever sorts of barriers or other issues in life. They can kind of help support those things. It's a really nice resource. They have really nice facility over there, a lot of good resources available to students. All sorts of things on campus. Other on-campus computer labs, you can do stuff. There's advising. We once again have a science advisor. You can come just sit on campus, needs Wi-Fi in the parking lots, Wi-Fi on campus, Wi-Fi. The library, you can check things out, books, movies, games. You can get computers through the library to do school work. I encourage you to take advantage of those resources. I think they're really powerful, and I think it's really, really useful kind of things to take advantage of. There's a lot of resources available to students. Now, if you have any questions about those, I might not know the answer, but I can point you in the direction of people who do. Otherwise, that's it for course information. Most videos are going to end with this slide. Our slide looks like this with due dates. And so this is it for course information, course overview kind of stuff. I've got a couple of videos of chemistry here for you to look at. The one thing you want to be mindful of, the other thing is there's that introduction discussion board that's in lieu of participation for this set of videos. Answer some questions about yourself. Oh, there's a post from me in there. I never mentioned that. There's a post from me in there. You can learn about me. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, welcome to the class.